Yeah, get me out there in front. I can if I give me enough room, I can get out there and I can wait for him, and maybe even on the back string.
Yeah, just back up a little bit. I'm gonna let him go.
Possibly wait for another car down.
All right.
See it at the Crescent or something?
Yeah.
So you can see it coming?
Just way close to me. Too far close. I know.
You got an eye out for me? Yeah.
Watch the gators.
Watch the gators?
Well, I'm not hitting them early, so I'm hitting them after apex. How was the, I mean, it looked like he was falling back on this section. He was right on my ass coming in.
Because I think what they've been doing is they've been going hard, flag sand, up to here, soft, and then hitting it again.
Right. I felt like I might have been holding him up.
Yeah, I think we held him up at the curve, or at the S of the kink right here.
So I need to carry more speed in here to stay out of the way. But this, I was going about as fast as this thing will go through here.
Can you call this out when we're approaching it? So I can pan to the right? Because he went on that other side of the track.
Oh, he went on the outside?
Yeah, he went on the outside.
Because he was coming in.
Oh, okay.
And that's what they did too, so they're all in.
Should I just come in?
I'll go, because there's somebody stays gridded up right now, so they might send him out right behind you.
Okay.
Yep, you're sending you on.
Alright.
He's still there, coming out now.
Yeah, I definitely need you as a spotter, because I'm driving my ass off.
Yeah, I could tell. I mean, you're focused right there, and yeah. I'd gotta be louder. I guess you couldn't hear me a couple times.
I could.
Okay.
Yeah, I was trying to watch him, and it's almost like maybe I shouldn't.
Don't worry about him. I'll try to tell you.
Getting a little woozy staring at the screen. Dude, honestly, that's why I was like, all right, thank God we're hitting. Please stop.
Still going.
They say this footage is just going to be us all with serious pissed off faces thrown around. We're actually having a really good time.
This has been pretty good.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah!
He's lighting it up again.
I'm gonna pull this side so he can talk to you because I couldn't hear him very good.
I think so. I would love to have him like that where he's closer to the feedback.
You're good? Okay.
Okay. We're gonna see if we can get another car.
Okay, that's fine. I'll ask him.
Thank you.
That distance towards the end of this hill, if there's any way to minimize that ever so slightly.
Okay.
Okay.
That would be the goal. That's
What's going on? We're just in the first section. We're gonna go to the left and head on down and we'll try to jump off to you, but stay close to us and do your thing. And then when we get to the S's down there, we'll back it down by the flag station. Then if you want to pick it back up at that sharp right hand, and we'll go back it up the hill. Does that work for you? All right. Ready? Too far. Still too far. All right. Good. He's back down. All right. He's picking it back up now. But he's still good distance. Alright, he's back down. If he wants to slow down and we can pick up this corner, I guess is what.
So too far ahead at the bottom of the hill.
Yeah.
Well, he backed out.
actually,
Yeah,
he
was
backed
farther
out.
than the previous time.
Sorry, it's sort of breaking up. I'm gonna go check it out.
No, it's good, man. No, I appreciate it. He's breaking down. He's going to pit. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. So, what we're trying to do is just stick to as close as possible.
Right.
You know, we'll judge off your speed too to try to pick it up if we need to, but stay close.
You want me to try and like e-brake a little bit to stay back, or?
Yeah, try to, because, we're just trying to stay as close as possible. So if you try to e-brake a little bit and get it sideways a little bit more or something like that, and, you know.
Well, how fast did you go?
How fast are we going?
I'm not looking at the speedometer.
Yeah.
We're ready to rock.
Y'all good?
Yeah.
Go when you're ready.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right. Good. We're good. Go a little bit faster. All right. He's up on us. Good.
Yes.
You're good. All right, I'll tell him to shut it down. All right, we're good. He shut it down. Well, all right. He's slow. We're gonna pick it back up on this curve though.
Yeah, the constant feedback on speed is really helpful.
You want to run one more time with him?
Yeah, we can. Yes, that was great.
That was.
Yeah, that was great.
Yeah. So we'll do the same thing one more time. And
Like still trying to learn.
awesome.
I was only going about half speed.
Well, you're too fast for me, though.
Yes, please.
Ready? Still with us.
to pit and check anything out?
Huh?
Would you feel confident? Do you want to pit and check anything out? Or you
Fucking awesome, man.
When he gets
I appreciate it.
zoom out,
Okay.
when he says
Should
go,
let him go on his own now.
all the way to